The purpose of this video is to go over the removal and installation of the door lock assembly. This particular front load washer is a Whirlpool built, but this instructional video will go over pretty much any manufacturer, whether it's LG, Frigidaire, whoever. They're all basically installed the same. Here's your door lock right here, and basically you start first by removing a clamp at the bottom. You'll notice a spring. The clamp just basically pulls off. And what I usually do is I'll take my door boot and kind of pull it away from the flange here, and I'll just tuck the boot inside. Then there's usually a couple screws that hold the door lock on, usually 2 or 3. Some are mounted on the side, sometimes they're top and bottom. The machine is unplugged, just in case you're wondering, so I don't shock myself. And basically the whole assembly then will pull forward. You can see a couple wiring connections here, here, and here. And basically just pull them off and then plug them back in. And reinstall the assembly is basically do everything in reverse. As far as the door boot goes, you just pull it back on the inside, and then this lip here will tuck inside this flange. Down here you can see the flange goes all the way around, and it might take you a little bit of time to get this on, especially if it's the first time. And the spring is usually the hard part, this clamp. Put the spring on. Make sure the spring at the bottom is located in the center. Just basically put the spring on as far as you can, and then kind of stretch at the bottom, hoping that you don't roll the rubber over. Sometimes it's helpful to have a friend with a second hand help me do this. As you can see, I'm a professional and I'm having some trouble here myself. It can be done, I promise you. There we are. You just want to make sure that that clamp is all the way inside, and you also want to make sure your door closes and fits into that lock properly. There you have it.